Then for US 30, I mean, price just did exactly what I wanted to do. Damn, it's fun. Price did exactly what I wanted to do after 130. You see the fair value gap here, and I will be able to get in right there to take it down to the lows. I'm about to do right now. Just tell you guys that this stuff works, yo. So I got my entry, my stop loss is up here. Reason being, this is a great area for stop losses because price has respected this area. 50% of this fair value gap. All you got to worry about is the body of the candle and not the wick. The price is going to continue to go down. Take out this low. Take out this low. Same thing for SPX and NAS 100 if you're in those as well. This is your liquidity void here. Fair value gap, you can enter here. Liquidity void right here. Fair value gap here. Entry right here. SPX, let's see. SPX, same thing. Fair value gap, entry right here. And you can take it down to the lows. Have a reasonable stop. Well, lot size, don't go crazy. So if you were to hit stop loss, you'll be okay. Wait for the next trade, no biggie. Yeah, that's all I got for you. Tuesday, Monday.
Look at this, GJ.
Getting those good entries for the peeps. So as you can see, you got the entry from the top and the entry for US 30. Stop loss is above there. Didn't hit it. It's traveling low.
Just like that.
This is our liquidity void. This is the fair value gap that we entered in if you entered. And this is the second entry. Price has to rebalance this here. So price broke structure here. It broke structure here. It's already rebalancing. If it just leaves, then that's fine too. But if price comes back up, it will be taking out this here, just like the last time. This like the pair that I showed you, GJ. Price entered the fair value gap, came down, but entered again and rebalanced price. So if it enters again, I will expect price to rebalance. And if you got in right here, you'll be good because price already took out this resistance area, which is buy side liquidity. Right, traveled up there, and you can enter right in there. You don't have to wait for a precise sniper entry. Get in where it counts correctly. Worry about the money. You enter right here, have your stop loss up here, and make sure that your lot size can handle it.
So you go to the 5 minute too?
I'll
go to the 5 minute. I just want to point something out. So getting in the mind of a retail trader, right? They're going to be looking at this. Oh, God. Right.
Sure.
So look, we're just going to continue to trade lower.
So this is that fair value gap here. Entered right here. Travel low. Now, for once you learn the skill, you can literally go on any chart, know what's going on without even having a relationship with it. But you want to just stick to one thing. And as you see, Earth is going lower from this fair value gap. Is everybody like understanding what's going on?
Yeah. Also, I do want to answer that question. Studying ICT is great, but you also want to understand retail before you get into the smart money. That's what you want to do first. You want to understand why traders fail before you understand why, traders like us succeed. You want to see where the money is at in the markets. Yes, you want to study ICT, but you also want to study retail logic, because 99 or not, however, the percentage of traders who do use retail logic, they fail. A lot of them. You want to study why they fail. You want to study what they look at in the market, what they see, so you'll be able to use ICT's concepts to take their money. So like I appreciate those who are, saying, whatever they're saying in the chat, but also, take it from the three of us, please. Study understand retail logic and trade ICT's concepts. That's what you want to do. Right. And when you're learning ICT, you don't need to learn everything about ICT. You need to just understand liquidity, fair value gaps, breaks of structures and order blocks. Or you can understand breakers too. And there's a whole lot of other stuff that he has in his library that you can study, but find what works for you. You do not need to know everything to be profitable at all. Like when you're first learning ICT, after you study and understand retail logic, find at least 3 of his concepts and get consistency with it. So like, the fair value gaps, the breakers, the order blocks, the optimal trade entries, you can, get consistency and find consistency with those before you move on to anything else. Right.
Travel right back into it again. I entered right here. My stop is about here. Chart looks crazy right now. Let me just simplify it real quick.
Headache.
Huh?
Nah, you know how I feel about charts like these.
Yeah. Like when I get in the zone, I start marking up everything.
Yeah, I see. Once you have that, I know you, bro. You have the 30-second marked up on your chart. You ain't gotta tell me no more. Like you ain't gotta tell me no more. Ready to go down to.
All right. And look, price, we traded into the fair value gap in the order block. And those who bought at that demand zone, they're about to get their money taken.
This is a level. When you see small movements like this in the same place, this is a level of liquidity. This is a level where sell side liquidity will lie. If it was the opposite way, this is an area where resistance will lie. This is where price is drawn to. The big banks are saying, hey, I want to sell here, but I need you to buy here. I mean, let me turn the thing around.
Yeah, I was about to say, what the fuck?
The banks want you to. Big banks are negotiating. Hey, I want to sell. I want to buy here, but can you sell right here? And they say, oh, absolutely, and that's where price is drawn to, right here. So the reason why I'm saying price will buy here is because displacement is happening here. The price is going to come back up, rebalance itself, and then come back down again. So price is going to take out this hole right here. The support zone for retail, and price will buy up after the fact. See, price have bounced right here. So retail is like buy. That big bounce, that little bounce, rock. Then in this case, somebody was saying, when do I put my stop loss at entry? My first entry was right here. Where's my first entry? Right here. First entry is right here. It's at the same place. This is the high that won't be taken out. So I put my entry, my stop loss at entry. Now I have a risk-free trade. Like, this stuff works. Just gotta know what you're doing. And then we explain this live. Live action. Camera action. Same thing happened for GJ. Price came back up here to this order block. It didn't take out the high or even this, starting to travel down low. Now
Yes,
you look for these
sir.
close to be taken. So who took these trades that were explained? Took these dang trades.
Yes, sir. Man.
Who took these trades, bro? Like,
Stop playing.
stop. Like,
Yo. Yo.
come on.
Come on, yeah. Is it? And even if you didn't take it, well, you're seeing it happen. So next
Yep,
time you
you've
know what
seen
to
it.
do.
I
You know what
mean,
I'm saying?
yo, everybody
Yo.
here, make sure you go on Instagram, take a screenshot of your screen right now,
Come on,
and
yeah.
post and say prolific ones. Help
Hold
me
on.
do this.
Hold on. I'm gonna make you out here money sound. Hold on. Oh no, wait. That's me taking my money. Yeah. That's wrong. You just waited.
Oh,
And it's still going.
like
That's
that.
insane.
Like that, Holmes.
Easy.
Come on, bro.
It's like it's really,
Simple.
Everybody.
bro.
Hey man, look, I've been in this trading business for about 3 years now. I've come across a lot of people. I've been on a lot of Zoom calls. I
Yeah.
am blown away by what you young men are doing. Like blown away. Like this is very, very impressive. I sat down to eat lunch and just made a quick $50 just off of what y'all just showed me right here.
Yes,
Byron,
sir.
these guys are for real.
Like, is that man?
It is.
Oh my
Man, this
God,
is
yo, I'm about to
unreal. Hey,
cry
I'm-
tears, bro.
These
Let's
guys are
go.
awesome. Stick with them.
I cannot wait to see what y'all do tomorrow morning, man. Like, keep up the work. Like, y'all got me hooked. Like,
Man.
For real.
well,
And I
yes,
love
I
that
really
y'all
appreciate
like
that.
explaining it, because that's the thing. Like you explaining everything that you do. That's empowering people to actually own it and make it their own style. Like most people,
We
they
all-
just drop signals. They hide their stuff on their chart so you don't know what they're doing, and they don't they don't explain what they're doing. But it's like, I appreciate the transparency.
Yeah, we like
Isaiah, how many points is it from this entry, from the first one to this low, to yesterday's? Was that yesterday's low or today's
Say
low?
what? Oh,
Like, what? How many points is it from here to down here? About
360.
over 3,100 pips caught in less than an hour. So if
I was
you